In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Boomplay app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So if you want to get the latest version of Boomplay app, the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and update it. Now, by updating the app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app and also fix any security issues or bugs that are associated with the older version of Boomplay app. To do so, it is quite simple. You can either do this on your iPhone or Android smartphone. So if you're on iPhone, you need to go ahead and access App Store. And if you're on Android, you need to go ahead and access Google Play Store. So for this, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Google Play Store. And once you get to Play Store, go ahead and click on it and search for your Boomplay app. And here it is. I'll go ahead and click on it. And now you can see we have an option to update this app. So if you see this, it means you have been using an outdated version of Boomplay app. Go ahead and tap on update, and this will proceed and download the latest version of Boomplay app on your smartphone. So once the download is done, it will be installed on your phone, and now you'll have the latest version that you can proceed and open. So by following this process, you'll be able to get the latest version of Boomplay music app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.